Hello, this is Suman Dhal of Class 12 from Sbd International School. I'm here to discuss on the topic Importance of Emotional Health for a Happy Life. Well, what do you mean by health? Health is defined as a state of complete mental, physical, social and spiritual well-being and not merely absence of any disease or infirmity. WHO defines mental health as mental well-being in which an individual is able to realize his or her own abilities. It is the foundation of individual well-being and effective functioning of community. There are various reasons for mental illness, such as neurotransmitter, genetics, etc. Neurotransmitters help the nerve cells to communicate with each other, but if the chemicals are out of balance, then the messages may not make through the brain correctly, leading to symptoms of mental illness. Genetics. Mental illness itself occurs due to interaction of multiple genes and factors such as stress, abuse, or a traumatic event that has triggered illness in a person who has inherited susceptibility to it. Have you ever wondered what has made us to focus on the promotion of mental health and acknowledging the importance of individual well-being? Yes, more than 450 million people suffer from mental disorder. According to WHO, by the end of year 2020, depression will constitute the world's second largest disease burden. The social and economic cost associated with the growing burden of mental ill health has led or focused on treatment of mental health as well as prevention and treatment of mental ill health. Mental health is linked to behavior and seen as fundamental to physical health and quality of life. Physical health and mental health are closely associated to each other. Poor mental health has led to diminished immune functioning and leading to chronic illness like diabetes, cancer, etc. All this has compelled us to analyze the importance of emotional well-being. Being emotionally healthy can promote productivity and effectiveness in work. It encompasses how we feel, think, and behave each day. It plays a vital role in establishing good relationship with people and adapting to changes in our life. As an individual, we can take several measures to promote mental health, such as exercising or taking a break when you need to remembering something you are grateful for. Or as a community, you can curb the problem of mental ill health by promoting mental health activities in schools, preventing violence, or tackling with community development programs. At last, I would conclude by saying a simple quotation, but conveying a huge message. Your mental health is a priority. Your happiness is an essential. Your self-care is a necessity. Thank you for listening.